Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Good morning, little girl. Yeah. Cereal and bananas. She is one complicated girl when it comes to bananas. Sometimes she wants it whole without the skin. Sometimes she wants it whole with the skin half peeled. Sometimes she wants it cut up. Every day with the banana, it's a different story. Sometimes she wants it on the cutting board. Sometimes she just wants it on a plate. You have a strong banana game, girl. But anyway, guys, hopefully you are doing swell and well and awesome and just super califragilisticexpialidocious. It is a beautiful day out. It is blue skied. And today, Sophia's going to the, do you remember where you're going today? Where are you going? Where you say, ah. So she's going to the dentist. That's not until 4 o'clock. Liz will be home by then. She's working her regular hours today. Yeah, she's gonna count those teeth, right? 20 teeth, I think, right? I think they counted 20 last time. Is that like the normal amount? I don't know.
You got even more teeth.
You got even more teeth? You grew even more teeth since last time?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Because you're 4. So I'm going to put some dishes away that I cleaned yesterday, and then I'll probably shower. Oh, you know what? I'll give you a bath first, and then I'll shower. What do you think? Good or bad? High five? That was light. Ah, the lightest high five ever. High five your face. You want to carry one? It's heavy. Just fill it up. Alright, I'll get this one. She is a big help. These ones go on the shelf. But hold on, I'll get it. Put that there. I'll grab that. Oh, good job, Soph. She helped me out. We get these little ones. And then to get the value, we also get the big ones. And then we just refill it. I don't like using the big ones because the cup gets dirty, and then usually we just throw the cup in the laundry, but then you lose them and you want to get the next load going and it's still in the previous load in the dryer, and it's annoying. So we just use these for the laundry, nice and light, and then we just refill them with the big one.
Baby.
Yeah.
I'm not a baby.
We got some draft there. We got some draft, guys.
I'm not a baby.
I know, we still use draft. I know. We just kind of like the smell on her, so that's why we still use it. Oh, what do you need?
I want you to help me make my playroom look like a grocery store.
Oh, well maybe later. Can I shower first? I'm about to jump in the shower and get clean, okay?
Okay, can I watch TV a little bit?
Okay, fine. Because you're so dang cute.
My arms are tired.
Because her arms are tired. What? I don't know what that means. Turn the TV on, bop. Let's turn the sound bar on, bop. Let's turn the Apple TV on, bop. Okay, she went with Octonauts. I'm gonna shower, you be good, Kay? Love you, bye.
Okay, Mr. Daddy.
And sorry guys, regarding this playroom and the reveal, it's just, we've been kind of procrastinating a little bit. We have all the decorations, we think. We have the furniture. I still need to paint it. I still need to buy the paint. You know what? Maybe I can try to get it today or tomorrow and paint it this week. So at least maybe I can hang it by the weekend or early next week. I don't know. But I really need to get it decorated. Liz and I have to like get together and like figure out where we want these decorations, and then I can actually hang them and stuff like that and really get this going. We're not waiting on anything. We have everything that we need. We're just basically procrastinating a little bit. So sorry guys, wait up. We're gonna get to it, don't worry. As far as the back to school video, I know I told you guys we were gonna do a back to school video. And I think we just waited too long. We kind of got stuff, like the last things that we bought were like days before her first day of school, and then it was the city, and then it just didn't happen. At this point, I think it's just too late. So what I'm gonna do instead of that video is just every time she's wearing something new, or you know, something that would be in that video, I'm just gonna make it a point to show you guys. Like yesterday's outfit she wore to school. That was a new outfit, so I showed you guys. So that's it. Sorry guys, but these things happen. But the playroom video, will happen because this is happening and there is no deadline really. But just gotta get it finished. Here you go, Soph. Lunch is served. Peanut butter, jelly, strawberry, melon, and yogurt. Enjoy, sweetie.
This one has a food truck on it.
Yeah. So as you can see, Liz already decorated for Halloween, or autumn if you will. So we got that. These are crafts that her and Sophia made last time. And this up here is also a craft that they made. Leaves. You remember making those?
Yeah.
You got a scarecrow, a witch, a pumpkin, and there's just random decorations. This is the candle we bought from Hobby Lobby kind of recently, if you guys might remember that, me and Soph. And nice shoes. That was beautiful. They're a little big. Just a little big.
Maybe when I grow up into a 5-year-old.
I think you need to be bigger than that. Those are pretty big, those shoes, huh?
Yeah.
That came with like her Elsa dress, right? Not Anna, right? I always mix the two. Is it Elsa or Anna?
Elsa.
Or Anna, as they
Elsa.
say. They say Anna, not Anna. Anna. Right?
Yeah.
Can I just call it Anna?
Sure.
I'm from New York, you know? That's how I talk. You're not from New York.
I know.
Did you know I wasn't born in New Jersey? Did you know that?
No.
I'm from New York. New York. Not the city. Not where we were. But like, you know, not too far away. Either.
Sorry.
What?
I came from Chinese food.
Chinese food? What? That doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, I did.
I came from tacos then. I came from tacos.
No, I came from tacos.
You just said you came from Chinese food.
You
What are you doing?
You came from inside bird food.
What? No, that's crazy now.
You came from inside your camera.
Why do you like the dentist so much?
Because I like relaxing on the dentist chair.
She likes relaxing on the dentist chair. Alright, you bringing your baby
I
in?
mean, the dentist's bed. Because they tilt it back to lay down because I think so they can reach your mouth.
Uh-huh. It's like a chair bed. Chair bed couch?
I don't really feel like opening my mouth for a while, but I still like the dentist.
Alright. Let's go. You ready?
You bringing Kitty?
Yeah.
It's her big moment.
Oh, you got a nice big mouth too. Stick your tongue out and say ah.
Yes, she does.
Stick your tongue out. You remember my mirror on the counter, right? Open your mouth, really big stomach. There, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what he does is he sucks all the spit out. Okay. See how he sucks the spit? Now give him a kiss. Okay? Is that okay to you? You get all the spit out of your mouth that way? And you remember my toothbrush, right? So make sure no gummy vitamins, mommy, daddy, no fruity snacks, anything sticky gummy like that causes lots of cavities.
Okay.
You can use the floss sticks or regular floss with.
Sophia, why do you love the dentist so much? You really do love the dentist. You had a good time there.
Where's your bitty baby? Really?
Got your balloon.
She's asking where her bitty baby is.
Oh, I don't think you left it in the chair.
You wanna go get it?
Go get it. Go check. Go ahead. Go see if they have your bitty baby. Okay. Are you serious, Soph?
Sophia, you're holding your bitty baby.
Are you serious? But she had a good time there.
She did.
Oh my goodness. She loved it. Having her.
Every time she did, she smiled at us. She was like,
Yeah. What'd she pick?
dolphins.
Oh, very nice. Very aquatic of you. Ready to go eat some dinner? Was she 1 year old?
She was either 1 or 2.
Sophia's always got to mention the first time we took her to the dentist, like 2 years ago, I lost her balloon, the balloon that she gets. always gotta mention it. She can't let it go.
I was 3.
You were 1, I think.
I was
Or
3.
2, 1. You sure about that? I don't know about that.
I was afraid of the thing.
I mean, she loved everything about it. The little spit sucker and
What was that?
the brushing.
What was your favorite part?
What was your favorite part about the dentist?
What was your favorite part?
What'd you like?
Everything.
Everything. And to celebrate Sophia's dental obsession, Cheesecake Factory. I don't know why I'm pointing, you can't see it. Are you bringing your baby? Yeah? Kitty!
She's just gonna stay. She's just gonna stay.
Oh, she's gonna stay here? She's gonna get hot in here. Whatever. There's Cheesecake Factory. This way, Soph. What are you gonna eat? Do you even know? You don't even know. Where are we?
I don't know.
You know where we are.
I can't even tell.
You can't tell?
No.
Well, say it or we're going home.
Are we at Target?
Alright, let's go home. Ready to go home?
No.
Then what is this place?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We can't go home.
Looks like Toys R Us?
The walls look like it's Toys R Us.
But you think it's Target inside? Wow! Bless you, Mommy.
Yes!
Crayon Factory? I think I might get this for a video. I think. Who's that?
I like that. You know that?
Color spin out.
What do you call the?
Spirograph?
Yeah.
Oh, the Crayola brand. I think we're gonna get this though for a video. You wanna make a video on this? You make crayons out of crayons. Does it come with crayons? Or do you use like your old crayons? Alright. Whoa, that's very beady. Foot massage. Possibly a Play-Doh thing. You wanna do a Play-Doh thing, Soph?
Yeah.
Make a video?
I like this.
I kinda wanted to make 2 videos this week. So, we got the Crayola thing. What kind of Play-Doh thing would you be interested in?
They got the hair one, so.
And she picked this out. His hair. Is that what you?
Yeah, this
Is that what you
is what I
thought?
was just showing
Oh, she just picked it out. Should we do it? Comes with 6 Play-Dohs. Guess. Oh look, you can make like braids and bows too.
Yeah. Is that cool, so?
Should we do it?
Yes.
You want to make it?
Yeah.
Ah, let's do it. What is this stuff over here?
The cotton candy.
What is this?
Ice cream? Ice cream maker. Cotton candy. Are there machine? Oh, right there.
Oh.
Machine. Interesting.
Oh,
Interesting.
look at that, you can make a little donut. Mini donut baking set.
I wonder what
Oh.
those are.
Is that like,
chairs.
what's that stuff called?
I wonder what that
What's
chair
that stuff called?
Yummy.
Oh, yummy nummies? Is it like that? Or do you actually bake these?
No, fresh ingredients. Eggs, milk, butter.
Oh, really? Interesting.
I want to go over there,
Cute.
okay?
Okay, go ahead. Where?
Where?
The chair aisle? Okay. Have fun in the chair aisle. There's the chair aisle.
I've been wanting to get
The best aisle yet in this whole store.
I've been wanting to get a chair for a while.
Really?
Like,
You've been saving up?
I've been wanting to get this one. Like this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Sophia found a baby doll aisle. A new one? Really? What is it?
Butterfly party?
Butterfly party. What? What does she do?
I drink and pee.
Oh, she just has a butterfly back thing and a butterfly hair clip.
She's cute.
She's cute. Look, she has teeth. She has a couple teeth. Is she cute?
Yeah.
Oh. Ready for school, baby.
I like this one better, I think.
Yeah.
One cracker.
Cracker. Oh, yeah.
And I guess these could be just fake toy glasses for her.
I think they're like a mask. It's like a masquerade mask or something. Is this the American Girl brand?
No.
Oh.
It might be in the other aisle.
Oh. What's it called? Estelle or something?
No,
I don't remember. Oh, whoa. That's a lot of baby items. There's eggs in there. Oh, no. I don't know what that is. That's a lot of baby items there.
These are
Blocks.
Oh, look at this little towel set with slippers. That's so cute.
Adorbs.
It's higher than real.
Oh, wow.
Than my real babies.
That's like a baby pocket. Pocket baby.
This is like the fancier you and me brand.
This Toys R Us brand. Babies.
Oh, this is very pretty.
Baby's so sweet. Yeah. It's pretty nice.
Sophia, you should get this for your bitty baby.
Does that fit?
Probably, for when you take her out.
Oh, that is baby. Goodness. Hi. What are you looking at over here? Baby dolls, baby dolls, baby dolls. And all this Shopkin stuff. Toilet.
I've been looking for that.
And toilet paper and a toilet cleaner.
I've been looking for that.
And a sink.
And this kitchen has a bunch of stuff that our kitchen didn't have. Like a garbage
You've been
pail.
looking for this?
There is no doubt that toy videos do well on my channel, so I try to embrace it by buying toys once in a while and showing you guys. So I'm gonna make a separate video for this crayon factory. You put crayons in there, it melts it down into cool little molds. I'm going to make a separate video on this Play-Doh crazy cuts, and you can make bows and like, looks like braided hair and like spaghetti hair. I'm assuming these things come in here. Separate video. And then this is just going to be in the regular vlog. The vlog will probably be titled this. Maybe, maybe not. But this will just be like in a vlog, won't be a separate video. So look forward to this. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these. Let me know what you're more excited about. Crayon Factory, the Play-Doh Crazy Cuts, or more happy places. And if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see in the future, also leave that down below. But I think I'm going to end it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up, comment down. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe button, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, see you then. I forgot I ended the vlog. Did you want to say goodbye?
Yeah, goodbye.
But it's still kind of sad. Cookie, you haven't even been touched since we came back with the new baby. Are you offended? Is there going to be a quarrel? A fight between the two babies? Whoa, no! Oh no!